Hi my loves, welcome back to the final episode of Mel's March Madness unboxings, but this time with a massive giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to find out about the giveaway instructions because there are going to be 4 winners. You're going to love it. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you my Van Cleef & Arpels jewelry collection. And as you can see behind me, I have a little box which I am going to share with you too, because that is what my darling husband got me for Valentine's Day. Again, it's kind of late, but it does have an M theme, so you probably can guess what it is. So I want to thank Karma. You guys know I've been working with Karma for 5 years now, and they are part sponsoring this video. And because of my great relationship with them, that is why I'm able to do this massive giveaway for you guys. So Karma is this online shopping assistant and it helps you shop smarter, but most importantly, it saves you so much money. The first thing I want to show you, which I'm really glad that I got, is actually the t-shirt I'm wearing in one of my favorite colors, Malachite. So I actually thought I missed out on this t-shirt because by the time I saw it and I wanted it, Australia had sold out of them. So I was able to get this because I use Karma. I use Karma all the time when I'm browsing online. So I had saved, this is actually pre-loved, but was new with tags from VCA Collection. And not only did I save like $500 off the retail price, but I ended up getting it. So it just goes to show, don't worry if you miss out on some things. Sometimes you can always find it on the pre-loved or secondary market. So before I get to the VCA unboxing, I'm just going to quickly show you how Karma works. You're going to thank me because I've literally saved thousands and thousands of dollars. And that's how I was able to get this piece. So there are a few things I love about Karma. First of all, it is completely for free. I'm going to leave the link below. Just download it on your Chrome extension or on your phone. I have both. And the best thing about Karma is that it lets you know if once you've saved an item to your Karma list, whether it goes on sale, whether it's back in stock, whether it's low in stock. So that is my favorite feature. And it's really easy to save because if you're just online browsing, so for example, I'm in Fashion File. And since we're talking about Van Cleef & Arpels, no surprises here, I've been looking for a turquoise colored Van Cleef & Arpels piece, specifically earrings, but I'm very open to maybe, a necklace or a ring. So all you do is you just sign up for a free account and make sure you download that little extension button because it's just makes it super easy to save. So once I'm in Fashion File, I just go to that item, I click on my little blue button, and then I want to be notified if there's any price change, and then I save it to my list. And as you can see, it is saved in my Karma list. So I personally like to organize my items into lists, like just say you want to do it by bags, clothes, or shoes. I've got a big list, guys, but the beauty about Karma is that you can save items from thousands and thousands of stores. It even scans the web for you. And that's another favorite feature is the coupon code. So if you're shopping online and if they find any coupon codes and you're at checkout, it'll apply it. And I've saved hundreds of dollars this way too. Not to mention you can also earn cash back from various sites, and then that's just paid straight to your PayPal. And the link is down below. So it's free, download it. It is seriously the best app ever and saved me so much money and gets me items like this, which I thought I missed out on. So let me show you what my husband got me from Van Cleef & Arpels before I show you my whole collection, because then I can show you everything. And let me grab a couple of things. So my amazing sales associate always gives me a little prezzy, and this is just a really cute, I have one of these which I've used up already, but who doesn't love a beautiful scented candle? So she gave me this Van Cleef & Arpels candle. It is in rose velours. It smells so nice. So perfect for bath time. Let's get to the really exciting part, which is in here. I've been wanting this. I think you guys are going to guess because it was on my wish list. So hubby and I did go in together and I just wanted to try them on one more time. And let me reveal to you, dun, 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 whoops, my new Magic Alhambra earrings in white mother of pearl. Now, I already own these ones in the malachite, so in the emerald green. So I already know I love this size. So I've been wanting to add another colorway. Actually, if they came in more colorways, I would love to add more. So with the M theme, as you can see, magic mop earrings, mother of pearl earrings. Let me put them on for you now. Aren't they stunning? I mean, the mother of pearl, the white goes with everything. These are one of my most worn earrings in the malachite color. So it was a no-brainer that I wanted to add these versions, these beautiful classic mother of pearl versions as well. So just before I tell you the price, usually you get a little travel pouch to store your piece in, a cleaning cloth, that's your certificate of authenticity is in here, and this is 7,400 AUD. So these Alhambra earrings actually come in 3 sizes. This is the largest, which is the magic, and then the classic size is called the vintage, which is a little bit smaller. I'll show you an example of that soon. And then the smaller size, which is super, super cute, is called the sweet Alhambra. So now that I've got these, let me flip the camera around and show you my little collection. Okay, so I have angled the camera here, and this is my second drawer. I've actually done a jewelry collection. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above, but that's what's in this top drawer here. And I said that I would expand it down below because I was running out of room already. So let me add my new addition. I've already made space for it, as you can see here. And let's put that down there. So let's start off with one of the most popular Van Cleef & Arpels items, and that is the 5 motif bracelet. So let me just put it on my wrist so I can kind of show you. So this is the 5 motif in carnelian and yellow gold, so a beautiful dark red. And guys, actually each of the stones are slightly different reds, so if you are after, you know, certain colors, don't be afraid to ask the sales associate to bring out a couple if they have it, and then you can choose it. I wanted a more sort of medium red. There was a lighter one, there was a darker one. So this one here I've actually had adjusted. This was my very first one and it fits perfectly. I don't have, you know, hubby here to help me put it on, but you know what I mean. It's the 5 motif bracelet. So I also have it in blue agate or blue agate, and this is what it looks like on me. Now this one I haven't had adjusted because sometimes I like to put an extender on it and actually wear this as a necklace. So if I want to wear it as a bracelet, basically I just clip it smaller, and then there's one little clover that sort of just dangles. So if you don't mind that, then you don't need to get that extended. So this little one will just hang. I also have it in the beautiful, stunning gold guilchet, and as you can see, it just sort of shimmers depending on the light. This is just stunning. I've been asked about the wear and tear of this. So far I haven't had any scratches, but then again, if you do wear it, just say I do wear it with my stack, I can foresee that it may sort of scratch, but look how stunning it looks with that. I love that paired with my stack as well, which I sometimes wear, you know, if I want to be a little bit extra. So I own 3 5 motif bracelets. I think that is a fabulous first piece if you do want to get yourself a piece of Van Cleef & Arpels. And then the 2 necklaces that I own are actually both limited editions. This one here is the white gold guilchet, which was the 2020 holiday edition, and every year they do this and the stones sort of change. So this was 2020, and then this one here, which is in the rhodonite, which is this beautiful dusty pink with a few speckles there. That one was the 2021 holiday edition. So I don't really collect them. I just buy the ones that I really like. The previous years I could have got them, but I didn't. But yeah, a lot of people just collect them because, yeah, they're only limited runs and, you know, they only do that around, I think they start getting released maybe about October every year. So this one here is actually rose gold. I should mention that a lot of their pieces come in gold, white gold, or rose gold. Not all of them have those options in each, but usually gold and white gold they do. Okay, and then let's move on to my earrings. So my very first one was, as I mentioned before, my beautiful magic Alhambra earrings in malachite. It matches my new t-shirt. And this is the one with the yellow gold, and this is the biggest size. And then the next one I got is this 2 motif version, as you can see. So that is the difference between the vintage. See, that's the vintage. So you could get the earrings in that size. And then this is the magic as a comparison. So it is quite a lot bigger, but I personally like bigger earrings. But I love this 2 motif too. I'm very tempted to get it all in the mother of pearl as well, or even get a specially made one. The one I have here is tiger's eye and carnelian. So if you like dangly earrings, this is gorgeous. And it even comes with a 3 motif too, if you wanted something a bit more glam. But yeah, the tooth motif is probably a little bit more wearable, but the 3 motif is stunning. Another thing on my wish list. I think with Van Cleef and Arpels, there's always things on my wish list. And then the last one I got, which I got last year, is my Frivole earrings. And this was for my 22nd wedding anniversary. And I just wanted to, try another line. And the Frivole range is very, very popular as well. Again, this is a similar size to the magic size. Let me just bring the magic up. See, it's a very similar size, maybe even a bit bigger. This comes in white gold as well. And it's got 3 little diamonds along the center. Again, another earring I've worn heaps. So you'll find with Van Cleef and Arpels, obviously the Alhambra is inspired by the clover. This is inspired by flowers. A lot of their collection is inspired by nature. So Frivole range, it comes in earrings, necklaces, bracelets as well. I just love, love, love all my pieces so much. So as you can see, my collection isn't huge in terms of VCA, but that's okay with me. I'm happy to add it slowly. But just to quickly show you some of my other fine jewelry pieces, because I've told you the last few years I'm just investing more in fine jewelry. You would have seen that I got my Tiffany & Co. just quickly from Hawaii, which is in rose gold. This is the hardware collection, which I love. And then, people also consider sterling silver as fine jewelry or semi-fine jewelry. I also got the necklace in the hardware collection, which is very, very edgy. This is something really special. I just want to show you this. So M, for my late mother-in-law, she gave me this beautiful gold Rolex with diamonds. It's very, very special. I don't wear it that often, but yeah, it's just a classic piece. Here I've got my Farandole necklace, which you guys have seen. This is my Cartier Lariat necklace, and this is discontinued. I actually found this pre-loved, but that's a nice, sweet piece. And then I just want to show you something from my mum. My mum gave me this jade bracelet. Actually, all my siblings have it, but it's just really special. And I always remember my grandma used to wear a jade bracelet all the time, so that makes it special. I forgot one necklace, and this shows you the sweet size. I actually have a very small sweet Alhambra necklace. So let me bring this up to show you. So sweet, vintage, and magic. So that's the sizes the earrings come in. And this is just a perfect layering piece. You could wear that and then wear a vintage Alhambra longer. So this, I just bought this because it's so cute. And not to mention, Miss S has already put dibs on it because she loves it so much. So that is pretty much my fine jewelry. I have a couple of rings. You've seen me wear my Cartier Justin Clou and my Hermes H ring in rose gold. Love those two pieces as well. So yeah, that is it. If you're wondering what this was, this is actually a Gucci watch. It's probably not fine jewelry, but I remember when I first got this when I was like 21, I thought this was the most beautiful little piece. It's like a bracelet watch. I'll just quickly show you. Yes, guys, I know this is supposed to be a Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry collection, but since it's all here, I might as well show you. All these items here to my right, I've already shown in my jewelry video, which I'll link down below. But that is it. That is my Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry collection. And I would definitely be adding more, but I am so super happy to add this beautiful classic mother of pearl to my collection. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my Van Cleef & Arpels collection. I like to kind of add pieces when it's a special occasion. I've been buying it since I think 2018 was the first time. So I'm just growing it slowly. I'm not in any rush to add tons and tons of pieces. It just makes it more special. Okay, so let's get to the giveaway. So this giveaway, you saw from the title, it is 1,000 USD. But get this, guys, this is the first time I've ever done this. First time, you know, that Karma and I was able to ask them, well, can I do it like this? Because I wanted to give you more options. So this giveaway will have 4 winners, and the 4 winners can actually pick their gift card. Each of them will get $250 USD gift card to the retailer of their choice. So you could go luxury, you could go My Teresa, Farfetch, you could go Pre-Love, Fashion File, you could go some of the high street like ASOS or even Amazon. The options are endless. So as long as the retailer sells online gift cards, you can pick it. So the choice is yours. So all you need to do is 1, make sure you download Karma on your computer and your phone. Secondly, whatever retailer you want to pick, just save 3 items to your list from that retailer. And then 3, in the comment section below, just comment the 3 items you picked. For example, just say you were shopping at My Teresa and you wanted to pick the pink cardie I showed you, you wanted to pick a Loewe card holder, and you wanted to pick Fendi sneakers. So you just comment cardie, card holder, Fendi sneakers, and then just leave your email or your IG name, but don't put the @ symbol. So it's easier for me to contact you if you win. So I'm gonna leave the giveaway open for 2 weeks. And of course it is open worldwide. And then you can use the gift card and pick anything you want. And then if you do have Instagram, this is bonus entries. You can head over to my Instagram. I'll have a giveaway picture there. Just make sure you follow me, like the picture, and just tag a friend. So that's optional, but the YouTube one is mandatory. And that is it. How awesome is that? Usually it's, you know, I only can give you 1 choice or 2 choices, but this time around, the choice is yours. Remember, besides this giveaway, I still have 2 other giveaways running. So it's a March madness of giveaways as well. I will link them down below. So yeah, download Karma, make sure you click my link below, and it's, yeah, your own personal shopping assistant. And of course, who doesn't want to save time and money? So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my March mini series. It's been really fun. So take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.